And on we'll go.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Tony's phone collection. I'm making some videos today, so I'm trying to figure out which one we're going to do this time. So I got the LG phone that we did in water. We got it, or in the washer, we got it drying in rice. Hopefully it will come back to life, but not very many hopes for it though. Here's the other one I have just like it. This one works just fine. So now we're going to go over the box of phones that I have that I plan on drop testing. I have a phone trade going on with another YouTuber, and I'll be sending him these. And then I'm going to be posting some phones on my eBay store. I will put in the description. I'm not sure if I'm going to post them individually or if I'm going to post them in a lot. I don't know. I might do the better ones individually and then the ones that are really trashy in a lot, or I don't know how I'll do it. But stay tuned for that. I'll let you guys know when I get some phones posted on there. Let's go through these that we're going to be drop testing. So first up is a Samsung M520. This phone does work. The only problem, actually I don't think there's any problems with it. I have like 3 of these. This one's the worst shape looking one, I think, if I remember right. So I plan on drop testing it. I think I have a battery. I can test it real quick maybe. Maybe not. I have a lot of batteries. I don't think I have one of these, or if I do, it's probably dead. Here it is. So yeah, this phone is dead. I will charge these up when I do the drop test though. It's raining right now, and it's supposed to be kind of crappy weather all week, so hopefully by Saturday and Sunday we get some good weather so I can go out and record. So there's going to be one drop test phone. We have a LG. We have done one of these before, the VX5500, but this one's in a lot better shape and is actually working. So when we drop test it, we'll be able to see if it still works after that. Like I said, and then all these drop test phones, after I'm done with them, I'll probably post them on eBay as well. Here you go, this one works just fine. So there we go. Drop test again. We have this one. I don't really think I want to drop test. I already have another one of these, the A640. I was thinking the A840 for some reason. This phone does work, and I think I'm just going to post this one on eBay. I'm trying to go on one of those. I think I done a drop test on one of these once, and I think it had a broken LCD if I remember right. Battery's dead. But yeah, I don't think I'm going to drop test this one, so I'm just going to throw this one in the other bin. Now, we have a Samsung Intensity 2. It's in really poor shape. I already have another one of these, so this one I don't mind letting go. I don't even know if this one works. I got this in that lot recently. Actually, it's been a while now, maybe a month ago. It had that Samsung U706 in it. Let's see if I can get it to turn on that way. So I'm guessing this phone's probably dead. I don't know, I never tested it. So we'll probably just do a drop test of it. There's another one up there. Here we have a Samsung SCHR 450. Now this one I got from a friend, and I took parts off it to fix the other one that was in really good shape. Because I think this is the one with the Cricket board, although it says Metro PCS, so I swapped that Metro PCS into another phone that was actually branded correctly, and then I swapped the IMEI tag underneath this battery. That one with the motherboard, so everything stayed together and it's matching numbers and everything. But this one I cracked the screen, trying to do something with it, I don't remember. But it has a wide LCD now, so that doesn't work. The board just says Cricket when it shows Metro PCS. Not a big deal, but that is what it is. I'm going to drop test it. We have LG VX50s, I don't know, 8300. These phones, I have a lot of these. I have like 4 of these things. Works just fine. Like I said, I already have another one of these in about the same condition. So I will be drop testing this one. See, it looks like it's a little broken right there, maybe. Oh, it's just scratched. So you can see this one works just fine. The battery's dead. We have a LG VX5600. I don't think I have a battery that's going to be charged for this beast of a phone, but maybe that's the one. Boom. Alright. So this phone works just fine as well. I have like 3 of these, so I'm going to drop test one of them. I have one in my collection, then I'll probably post the other one up on eBay or something. As you can see though, it works just fine as well. Decent battery as well. Here we have a LG CU515. I have one of these already as well. I don't think I have a battery for it. That battery's not going to fit. Maybe this one. That's dead. I need to go through these batteries and just completely charge them up, so I know which one's dead and which one's not dead. Alright, well, we'll just leave that battery in here. Actually, that's the right one. We'll leave the correct battery in here, and then I'll charge them up and see if it still works or not. I don't think it did, but it's been a while, so I can't exactly remember either. This one is the one I got in an eBay lot as well. Already have one, so you know, drop test it. I'm going to be doing an extreme drop test on this LG NV Touch. Have one of these as well. This one's in decent shape, but I'm going to go just do an extreme drop test on it. So that'd be kind of fun to see. Works just fine. I don't know why the screen does that. I think all the LG NV Touches do that. And it goes back to normal. So there's that one. Works just fine. Really good shape, like I said. Kind of hate to break it, but it will be alright. It's not like you can really do anything with them anyways. And then last but not least, the one that really kills me to destroy is this LG Glimmer. Look at how good the screen looks. Very any scratches on this thing at all. It had a screen protector on it, and I removed the screen protector. I really hate to drop test this phone, but I have 3 of them. I have one in the box. I have an unboxed one that's in really good shape, AX830. And the problem with this one is the display does not work. The resistive touchscreen has let go, so it doesn't respond to touch, sadly. And I don't really think it's worth putting a screen on. Like I said, I already have a couple of these, but I really wish it would work because it's in really good shape. But it is what it is. Figured I'd do a video on these drop test phones. And then let me see, I think that's it. I got some phones I need to send to Retrocoms. I got these 2 phones fixed as well. This one, this is the parts phone. As you see, the shape of the keypad in this thing was terrible. This one had a bad LCD. So here's the old one. I went ahead and changed out the LCD. As you can see, it works now. It's got a really good housing on it. Perfectly working as well now. So that's pretty cool. And then we have this Pantech phone. I can't remember the number. I got the other one. I have the parts phone right here. Pantech CDM 8975. And it worked, but the front lens was cracked. The other one had a good lens, but it was in really poor shape. So I took that lens off. I made it transparent, which is really hard on a plastic display. I didn't scratch the inside. I used my fingernail the entire time. And then I glued it down with some adhesive, which doesn't look like it's holding very well. But after that, cleaned it all up. I need to take the little pins off and put on this one. This phone works 100% as well. Like I said, I haven't done anything on this Kyocera yet. I'm still working on it. So I'll figure out what I can figure out on it, because I do like it. It's pretty cool looking. Interesting styling on that one. And I think an LG Versa, I think I want to drop test as well. But I'm not exactly sure. But we shall figure that out. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little update video. And what I'll be doing with these phones, sadly, to drop test these other ones. But we'll figure it out. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and stay tuned for the next one.